Hello friends, good morning to all of you. Today we see the practical to use of multimeter for measuring resistance, AC and DC voltage, DC current, checking electrical fuses. To measure the electrical apparatus like DC voltage, DC current, resistance using multimeter apparatus, digital multimeter, color code, resistances, variable power supply, connecting wires. So these are the two different type of multimeters. This is known as digital multimeters because here you will get the digital volt direct reading, and here it is analog multimeter. Here different scales are provided. On this scale one pointer is there. With the help of that pointer we can measure the value of any resistance, voltage or current. So here this pointer is shown that here it is voltage, here the current is given, here voltage, different range is there, here resistances are there, and which is our desirable voltage, current or resistance we can measure with the help of this AC voltmeter, digital voltmeter or analog voltmeter, multimeter. So both are near about same. Here you will get directly reading, and here scale is provided. With the help of this scale you can understand the value of resistance, voltage or current. So here also the different scales are provided. We can choose the suitable scale by pressing knob on these different scales, and we can measure the resistance, voltage and current. So both are near about same things. Multimeter. A multimeter is a multi-purpose electronic testing instrument. Multimeter is used for AC DC voltage, AC DC currents and resistances. Procedure. To measure resistance is always measured from left to right. Black wire is always connected to common terminal of multimeter, and red wire is to the parameter to be measured. By taking two terminals between the two wires, a multimeter resistance is measured on proper range. To measure voltage, measure the voltage of a given battery or cell. Put the black wire in common terminal and red wire in whole of proper range of DC voltage. Connect positive terminal of the cell or battery to red wire and negative terminal of the black wire and measure the DC voltage on proper range. Similarly, we can measure AC voltage also. Here precaution should be taken that there is no positive and negative fixed terminal for AC. Using AC voltage and proper range, we can measure AC mains voltage. To measure DC current, for this connect the circuit as shown in figure. Multimeter used here as voltmeter, millimeter. By changing the position of rheostat, note the voltage and current. Take 5 readings and calculate resistance of the filament and record in tabular form. So here by color code method, how to measure the resistance of. So here different colors are given: black, brown, red. So on this resistance there are three different colors are there. So first two are known as significant digit. The value, if we consider it if brown, the value is 1. Again if it is brown, then 1 1, like this. The first two digits are known as significant digits for first two colors, and the third color it is known as multiple factor. The multiple factor is same, the power of 10 of that significant digit. So if black is there, 10 raised to power 0 is there. For brown it is 10 raised to power 1. For red it is 10 raised to power 2. In this way we can take the multiplication factor. And the fourth color, if it is gold, silver or no color, this is known as tolerance, and the tolerance for gold it is 5%, for silver it is 10%, and no color it is 20%. Means in between that the approximate value of the resistance we can measure with the help of color code if we don't have any other meter to measure the resistance directly. Hello friends, now we start how to measure the resistance by color code. The first resistance is this is red. This resistance is red. And now we measure the value of resistance. Red means value is near about 2.2 1200 Armstrong unit. So first we adjust the value here, range. So it is near about, so it is more than 2020K. So the value is if we attach it properly, you will get the value of this resistance using multimeter. By color code, we say that its value is 2.2K, and by multimeter its value is 2.21 or 2.17K. Our next resistance is this yellow, black, brown, so that its value should be in 2000, means it is near about 400. Okay, this is yellow, black and red, so its value is near about 4.7 or 4.69 kilo ohm. This is the value of this resistance. Its color code is yellow, brown. If you see it properly, the resistance is yellow, just a minute, yellow violet and brown is there. The value of yellow, violet and brown, its value is 4.7 or 4.70 kilo ohm. Our next resistance is, this is next resistance. It is black, brown, black, orange. So its value is near about 10K. Now we check by color code, its value is 10K. Now by multimeter, its value should be just on 2000 range, so we can easily understand. So okay, it is 10K, sorry. So its value is near about 9.69 kilo ohm. So the values are matches with our color code values near about. Next one resistance is red, orange, red. So its value is near about 2300. So now we check it. Its value is, so its value is orange, red, means its value is near about 3.3K. So this value is also matches with our multimeter's value. And next one, the brown, black, green. For brown, black, green, we should make the range should be 2000 kilo ohm. So the value of brown, black, green is 10 raised to power. So here it is the resistance. It should be 10 raised to power 6. So here it is 1000K, near about 987K, means its value should be matches with our color code value. So in this way we can make, if we have the multimeter, we get the proper value of the resistance, and if we don't have the multimeter, then by using the color code we can find out the value of the to measure the resistance. So here by using color code we can measure the resistance, and by multimeter. So brown, black, green, these three colors are there on multimeter. So the approximate value is near about 10 lakh, and by multimeter it is near about 9,88,000. So these two range are matches with each other. Similarly, red, like this resistance is there. By color code its value is 2200, approximately 2200. So by multimeter its value is 2170. Next is brown, black, orange. Brown, black, orange. Here by color code its value is 10,000 and by multimeter its value is 9680. And orange, orange, red. For its value is 3200 and by multimeter its value is 3300. So this color code value may be vary because on each there is a silver or golden color is there, and depending upon that, in between that range you will get the value of by color code, and the value of color code and by find value and by multimeter both are approximately matches with each other. Color code we can find out the value of the resistor. Now we can measure the voltage by using multimeter. So here on multimeter, if we connect the battery to 2 volt, so here you will get near about 4.41 on multimeter. If we connect to the next voltage, it should be 6.3. If we connect next to the voltage, it is 8.6. If we connect to the next voltage, it is 11.2. So by multimeter you will get the values like this. Again we take one side one time. Again one time we get 4.3, next 6.3, next 8.7, next 11.2. Now we measure using multimeter. So first we take on first reading. So by multimeter you will get 4.3 and by voltmeter you get it is 4. Next value it should be 6. Next value it should be 7.8, and next value for next voltage it is near about 11. So this is by multimeter you will get, and this is by voltmeter reading you will get. Okay, measure DC and AC voltage. So by voltmeter we measure the voltage 4, 6, 8, 11, and by multimeter we can exactly measure the voltage, that is 4.3, 6.3, 8.7 and 11.2. Similarly the voltage AC voltage is 6 and 8, and by multimeter it is 6.4 and 8.7. The working with multimeter is learned. The AC/DC voltage and resistances are measured using multimeter. The diode testing and continuity testing is made using multimeter. Okay, thank you.